Ready to elevate your student experience in Southampton? Hampton Square redefines living standards with style, comfort, and convenience. Located on Mayfield Road, Hampton Square offers modern en-suites and studios. Each room features a small double bed, ample storage, and a private bathroom. Stay active in the gym, catch a movie in the cinema room, or relax and binge your favorite shows in the TV lounge. Ultra-fast Wi-Fi and all-inclusive bills make life hassle-free with 24/7 on-site security for peace of mind. Situated near the University of Southampton and Southampton Solent University, the nearby city center is buzzing with activity, offering diverse restaurants, clubs, cafes, and historic sites. Explore the Tudor House and Garden, the Southampton City Art Gallery, or catch a game at St. Mary's Stadium. Nearby, savor delicious food at Thai Express or Nathan's Famous. Enjoy green spaces like Portswood Recreation Ground or hit up bars like Bar SO16 and the Shooting Star. Commuting is a breeze with the Mayfield Road bus stop and Swafling train station just minutes away. Ready to start your life in Southampton? Visit amberstudent.com and make Hampton Square your home today.